In this video, we're going to be summarising the RICS Rules of Conduct. The RICS states the rules of conduct support positive change in the built and natural environments through promoting and enforcing the highest ethical standards in valuation, the development and management of land, real estate, construction and infrastructure. The rules of conduct are based on ethical principles of honesty, integrity, competence, service, respect and responsibility. There are 5 rules in total. We'll start by listing out the rules before exploring each one in more detail. Rule 1. Members and firms must be honest, act with integrity and comply with their professional obligations, including obligations to RICS. Rule 2. Members and firms must maintain their professional competence and ensure that services are provided by competent individuals who have the necessary expertise. Rule 3. Members and firms must provide good quality and diligent service. Rule 4. Members and firms must treat others with respect and encourage diversity and inclusion. Rule 5. Members and firms must act in the public interest, take responsibility for their actions, and act to prevent harm and maintain public confidence in the profession. Rule 1. Honesty, integrity, and conflict of interest. Members and firms are expected to act honestly, with integrity, and fulfill their professional obligations. They should not mislead others through actions or omissions, avoid improper influences, identify and manage conflicts of interest, provide advice based on reliable evidence, and be transparent about fees and services. They must not take unfair advantage of others, protect confidential information, and prevent financial crimes. Firms must keep client money safe and prevent financial crime through effective processes. Rule 2. Professional competence. Members and firms must maintain their expertise and ensure competent individuals handle tasks. They should only undertake work they have knowledge and resources for, supervise employees, ensure subcontractors are competent, reflect on past work, engage in continuous professional development, and stay updated on relevant standards and legislation. Firms encourage and ensure their personnel's competence and compliance. Rule 3. Quality service. Members and firms must provide diligent and high-quality service. This involves understanding client needs, agreeing on service scope and terms, informing clients about regulatory aspects, promptly notifying changes, working with due care and diligence, communicating material information clearly, maintaining records, encouraging sustainable solutions, understanding technology risks, and ensuring accurate data use and storage. Firms must have quality assurance processes in place. Rule 4. Respect, diversity, and inclusion. Members and firms are required to treat others with respect, promote diversity, and discourage discrimination, bullying, harassment, and unfair treatment. Firms should ensure supply chains are free from labour abuses and report such practices. They should foster inclusive cultures and collaborate effectively. Rule 5. Public interest and responsibility. Members and firms must act in the public interest, prevent harm, and maintain public confidence in the profession. This involves questioning questionable practices, raising concerns, supporting colleagues who report concerns, ensuring public statements don't undermine confidence, responding to complaints professionally, cooperating with investigations, considering one's health conditions' impact on competence, managing professional finances responsibly, and reporting significant breaches of the rules. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.